Meaning of gutta-percha.
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 Gutta-percha. Gutta-percha is a natural latex produced from the sap of several trees in Southeast Asia. It has a rubber-like consistency and high insulation properties, making it useful for various applications such as insulation for electrical wires and dental fillings. The name gutta-percha comes from the Malay word for gutta-percha, which means percha sap. The material was widely used in the 19th century but has been largely replaced by synthetic materials due to cost and availability. However, gutta-percha remains a valuable commodity for niche markets such as golf balls and some musical instrument components.